everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool, this is actually a 2010 sand rail, whatever you want to call it, dune buggy. Super cool, man. I took it in on trade from a guy down the street. I'm probably going to take some heat for that because I've had multiple people try to trade these things in. The problem with them, I'm probably going to get more trouble now. Most of the time when I look at them or people send them to me, they're pretty rough. This thing's a show dog, man. I mean, you could literally take it to a car show. It's got 155 or 153 miles on it. Since it was built in 2010 by Don's Dune Buggies here in Michigan. Like I say, 150 miles on it. It was pretty much just on display in their showroom as to what they could build you. Wicked cool, a lot of fun to drive. I guarantee people know more about these things than I'm going to be able to spew out here. I think it's a Barrien chassis. I'll make sure I get that right in the ad. Of course, it's a 4-seater. It's completely street legal. It has it is titled as a 2010 assembled roadster. It is on a Michigan title, and it is street legal. Turn signals, wipers, brake lights. Very, very cool. You can see it's got a rack and pinion steering system in it. It's got Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes on it. Really cool set of 15-inch aluminum wheels all the way around it. It has all Neal adjustable pedals. Again, a lot of billet trim. It's got a manual crank windshield wiper. Of course, a Grant removable steering wheel. It is a 4-speed trans. You got to push the push button for the reverse lockout. It's got individual handbrakes for each side. I guess that's if you want to slide it sideways. It's got all video gauges. This is everything, and all the lights work, the horn works, turn signals, lights. Hopefully you can see that because I'm so far out of here. Race line seats with the belts. I have some more stuff for it, like this padding. He gave me some more stuff. I also have the flag that you need for the sand dunes. Again, all Billstein shocks. These are X-Terrain Pro Comp rear tires. Of course, it's got the Neal caps on it, but a beautiful set of aluminum wheels. It is I believe it's a 2132cc engine, 175 horsepower, twin Webers. I've got the little things that go over top of them for when you're in the sand. Of course, it's got a beautiful stainless exhaust on it. It is a Volkswagen, I think pre-1975 4-speed manual transmission, custom aluminum fuel tank. Wicked, wicked cool. A lot of fun to drive. The thing is beautiful. You could literally take it right to a car show. I was shocked at how nice it drives. You can go ahead and fire it up, Mike. It really hits the road good. My dad had a few of these. Of course, they were race rails. They were extended chassis when I was young. But just a cool little deal, man. And like I say, it hits the road great. Super fun, it's fast. See, it runs great, fires right up. Go ahead and hit your brake fire. Turn signals. It runs excellent. Again, everything's in here. All your gauges work, your tach, your speedos down below. All the little switches are for your lights. Your turn signals, there's a little button there for the horn. Again, it's a manual hand crank for the windshield wiper. Go ahead and turn all your headlights on. Turn signals, LED turn signals, headlights and stuff. Yep, even here, it's got the lights up there. Yep. Super cool, man. Again, make sure you guys keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the button at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us. That thing is just wicked cool. And like I say, so much fun to drive. Very impressed by the way it goes down the road. Again, all street legal. It's on a Michigan title. Have a great day, guys!